Hello, this is Paul Rejczak of Sunshine Profits, and I'm the author of Stock Trading Alerts. Let's take a look at today's stock market charts as an addition to today's stock trading alert. And the first chart is the S&P 500 index, and we can see that the index fell more than 2% on Friday. It was a reaction to the news about the new COVID variant from South Africa, and stocks followed the crash in oil prices, and the oil fell by more than 10%. So the S&P broke below its Wednesday's short-term consolidation, and it retraced almost 150 points from their Monday's from Monday's new record high. For now, it looks like a downward correction within an uptrend from the early October low. Now let's move to the technology Nasdaq 100 index chart, and we can see a similar picture here because the Nasdaq extended its downtrend from last week's Monday's new record high, but the Nasdaq was relatively stronger on Friday because it remained above its local low from the early November. However, we can see some negative technical divergences here. The Nasdaq index reached a new record high, and the indicators reached just a lower high in the same time. Now let's move to the individual stock charts, and the first one is the Apple. And the Apple rallied in the previous week. It reached the new record high on Monday before reversing lower and closing just neutral for the day. And on Friday it broke below Wednesday's consolidation, and it got back to its previous local high of around $157. It is a potential support level here. For now, it looks like a downward correction. Another big technology stock, the Microsoft, and we can see a similar picture because the Microsoft extended its downtrend from the Monday's new record high, last Monday's new record high, and it fell to the support level of 330. For now, it looks like a downward correction as well, but we can see some negative technical divergences here, just like on the index chart. Now let's move to the banking stocks, and the first one, the BAC, Bank of America, and the banking stocks rallied on news about the reappointment of Jerome Powell as a Fed chief, and on Friday they retraced the whole rally from its previous Friday's low. So the Bank of America fell to the new local low, but then it rebounded, and it remained above a support level here of around 45.5. The similar picture is with the Morgan Stanley stock, and it fell to the support level of around $96, but it extended its keeps extending its medium-term consolidation here from the early August. The consolidation that started in the early August, and the resistance is at 105 and the support level is at 96. Now let's move to the oil stocks, and oil stocks basically followed the broad stock market. They fell by 3-4%, but not in the scale of the crashing oil prices. So the ExxonMobil fell to the new local low, but it remained above the support level of $60. And the next one, the ConocoPhillips COP, it fell to the support level of around $69-70. Of course, it retraced its last week's rally, but it is still trading along the support level. Now let's get back to the index chart, the S&P 500 index, and the market is expected to open around 1 or above 1% higher this morning. So we may see a retracement of at least half of its Friday's decline. Will it retrace the whole Friday's decline? Well, most likely not. We may see a consolidation, an intraday consolidation, and some volatility for sure. The market may fluctuate in as it will be waiting for some Fed talk and the speech from the Fed Chief Powell, but overall the markets will be waiting for the Friday's data, the monthly jobs data that will be released on Friday, and the testimony from the Fed Chair Powell tomorrow and on Wednesday. So it will be a week packed with much data and economic news. So we may see an attempt at getting back even above the 4700s level, but from the technical standpoint, the technical picture is bearish, and for now the today's intraday advanced that's coming in just a few minutes will most likely come out as a flat correction or on an upward correction within a short-term downtrend. That was not a trading recommendation or an advice, just a general opinion of an author, and it's everything I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.